If you want men and women to be favoring you, you need favor from your place of work, from your colleague, from your husband, from your brother, from the government. If you need favor from anywhere, from the government, from anywhere, you want men and women to favor you. So this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can use Fanta and 4 egg to draw favor from the east, west, north, and south. You have to understand something. Any prayers that are done with either blood, any prayer that require blood and egg, don't joke with it. Those prayers always carry powers. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you use 4 egg. That's east, west, north, and south, so that men from east, west, north, and south, men and women, will always favor you. Okay, that's what this video is all about. This is a powerful ritual to draw abundance, to draw favor, to make men and women favor you. And if you find this video helpful, all I'm asking for you is to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You liking this video means a lot to me. Evil God loves thank you. Okay, guys, let's take a break.
I have the gift of seeing. That's how people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible.
This is a powerful ritual to draw favor instantly. This draw favor instantly. So if you want people to favor you, you need money for business, you want your business to prosper, you want people to love, general love, you want your life to be as sweet as Fanta. So this video is for you. Let me show you how you can use Fanta and 4 eggs to draw abundance, to make this work perfectly for you. Now, what do? You are going to get 4 eggs. Then you get a pot. Put the 4 eggs inside the pot. Okay? Then get Fanta, 1 big bottle of Fanta. You can get 1, you can get 2. Pour the Fanta inside the pot. Okay? Then put the pot on fire. Let the Fanta cook the 4 eggs. After the Fanta have cooked the 4 eggs, now you get the egg. You will stay in a way you came to this world, 100% naked. Do not wear anything, even shoes you are not going to wear. You are going to stay just like the way you came to this world. You will be 100% naked. Okay, when you will be 100% naked, then you take the first egg. You said, from the east I want men and women to favor me. Let money come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Anything I lay my hands on I will prosper. I want my life to be as sweet as Fanta. You put on it everything you want and how you want your life to be. Then you peel the egg open. Okay? Then you eat the egg. The shell, keep it inside the plate. Don't allow it to touch the ground. Keep it inside the plate. Then you take the second egg. From the west, you repeat the same prayer. You eat it. You remove the shell. Put it on a plate. Then from the south, you remove, you make the same prayer, then you peel it, keep the shell. From the north, you make the same prayer, remove the shell, then keep the shell. Remember, as you are removing it, you are eating it. You eat it. You eat it, you eat it, you eat it. That east, west, north, and south, men and women should favor you. Money should come to you from east, west, north, and south. Even from where you least expected. When you are done making these prayers, okay, when you are done making this prayer, you now take the egg shell. If you eat this egg, don't drink water. The reason why I say you should get 2 Fanta, if possible, you can get 2 Fanta, so that if you boil the egg, the Fanta that will remain, if you feel choke, you can drink from the Fanta, but don't drink water. Don't drink for 30 after 30 minutes. That's when you can drink water. So the shell of the egg, you gather it, make fire like charcoal fire, then put the egg shell on the charcoal fire, Then use something to cover yourself. Let the smoke enter your body. Your favor ritual is complete. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.